The oil and gas industry has always been a critical sector for the global economy, but it's also one of the most challenging environments to work in. The industry involves hazardous materials, heavy machinery, and remote locations that require a high level of security and safety. That's where CCTV technology comes in. In recent years, significant advancements in CCTV technology have improved safety and security in the oil and gas industry. For example, high-resolution cameras have become a popular choice for the oil and gas industry. These cameras provide clear, detailed images of the area being monitored, making it easier to detect and identify potential threats or incidents. In addition, high-resolution cameras can be used to monitor equipment, pipelines, and other critical infrastructure, helping companies to identify potential maintenance issues before they become major problems. Thermal imaging is another technology that is gaining popularity in the oil and gas industry. Thermal cameras can detect heat signatures, making it easier to identify potential hazards such as leaks or fires. These cameras are particularly useful for monitoring pipelines and storage tanks, where leaks can be difficult to detect using traditional CCTV cameras. Another advancement in CCTV technology is the use of video analytics, which is a powerful tool that can be used to analyze footage from CCTV cameras automatically. This technology can detect anomalies, such as unusual behavior or objects in a restricted area, and alert security personnel to investigate further. Video analytics can also be used to monitor traffic and identify potential bottlenecks or safety hazards. Remote monitoring is becoming increasingly popular in industries such as the oil and gas industry, where operations can be spread over vast areas. Remote monitoring allows security personnel to monitor multiple locations from a central control room, improving response times and reducing the need for on-site staff. This technology can also be integrated with other security systems, such as access control and intruder alarms, to provide a comprehensive security solution. Artificial intelligence, AI, is another significant advancement in CCTV technology that continues to transform safety and security in the oil and gas industry. AI technology can recognize and analyze patterns in security footage, alerting operators to potential safety hazards or security breaches. AI technology also allows for predictive maintenance, detecting equipment malfunctions before they occur, preventing downtime and reducing costs. Vivo Asia Engineering and Trading is an expert team of engineers that specialize in the installation and supply of CCTV systems for industries that operate in harsh and hazardous environments, such as the oil and gas industry. We will assist you in the seamless transition from an outdated, legacy CCTV system to the latest in CCTV systems technology, ensuring better safety and security even in the most harsh and hazardous environments. Contact us to discuss your requirements.